Hey guys, welcome back. Another video, another build series. This one's gonna be a 2007 Yamaha R6. Just picked this one up yesterday. A little bit different than what I normally do. Usually I try to pick them up. I find crash bikes, ones that have been like in a pretty bad accident. This one hasn't been in an accident. It's got blue chrome powder coat on the frame, subframe, swing arm, both rims. It came with a full, I think it's Sato Racing exhaust. Looks really nice. The tank, sadly, needs repainted or replaced just because it's, I don't know, someone was trying to paint it, but they just did a horrible job. I don't know about the fairings either. It came with two sets. It came with the, I'm not sure if the set it came with the racing fairings. I haven't really looked at them too much. I think these are the OEM fairings actually. And these were the race ones. Not entirely sure. Haven't really looked through all the parts too much. Did come, the person I bought it with threw in this Yoshimura Alpha Titanium. I don't even think this goes to an R6. Pretty sure that's a CBR exhaust. And that exhaust, it's like $500 exhaust. And she just threw it in there, so took it. It's like a nice new exhaust. I'll probably be selling that. If I don't, I thought about trying to throw it on the CBR 1000, but we'll see. Came with, I'm not even sure I've ever seen one of these come with the bike before. That's the OEM fender. Came with the OEM muffler. A bunch of other stuff. Got a power commander with it. Has a GPR steering stabilizer. It's not bolted down, but it's on there. So that's a nice feature to come with. Vortex clip-ons. Adjustable rear sets. The forks were just done, fork seals. Chain looks good, sprockets look good. Tires are nice and new. It's a 2007 and it only has 3,000 miles on it. It's just crazy. The bike doesn't run though, it's throwing codes. And that's how I got it so cheap. All it wants to do is read codes. And not start, so haven't really dug into it yet. Came with two ECUs, two wiring harnesses, because I guess when the problem started, she was originally trying to figure it out, couldn't figure it out, tried swapping the ECU. She said it worked for a minute, then stopped working. So I'm not entirely sure what it is. It was originally a track bike. It was never actually a street bike. So headlights are like wired up kind of ghetto. I'm not really sure if maybe that's part of the problem why I won't start because of the wiring, or I'm not really sure. Like I said, haven't even taken the seat off. Haven't really looked into anything yet. I just know it doesn't run. It might not even run. I'm not sure, but I think it's only been down slightly. I'm not really sure because it has this aftermarket stator cover, so I'm not sure if maybe someone dropped it, then put that on there, and then dropped it again. But there doesn't appear to be any damage on the bike, so I'm not really sure too much of the history of it. Got such low mileage, it's kind of crazy. I've never had a bike with this low mileage with this year before. So like I said, it came with a lot of extra goodies, so not really sure what my plan is if I get it running, but obviously step one is try to get this thing running. So it's lowered, which kind of sucks. Definitely would like to take the lowering links off. I don't have stock ones, so I'd have to purchase those. I don't like lowered bikes, but that frame, blue powder coat, is really nice. I've never had a bike with powder coated frame before. I've always wanted to do it myself, but I just never took the time to strip a bike down and do that. So pretty sick. Like I said, not even sure if it actually runs. I'm assuming it does, but we will see. Stay tuned. Before in this video, just wanted to mention that I am starting the Hayabusa build here in a week or two. Haven't even really touched the bike yet since I got it. It's kind of been on the back burner. I just haven't really finished off the Gixxer or the R6 yet. They just need their final touches. But as you can see, the Busa does leak a small amount of oil. That's my main concern, is it's leaking somewhere. So gotta strip the bike down, figure out where it's leaking, fix that. I have an exhaust I purchased for it. It's really nice. Got a Yoshimura exhaust for it. It's gonna be carbon, so I'm gonna kind of get rid of that silver on the mufflers. It's gonna be nice black carbon and kind of match the black bike. So, and I got black levers as well. So thought about painting the rear sets, but I might leave those kind of that OEM silver color, just to kind of keep it looking nicer than just kind of rattle cans. So like I said though, we'll be starting this project soon here. It's gonna be a week or two, just kind of waiting on warmer weather. It's just been super cold here in Michigan, and it's just not fun working out in my garage when it's that cold. It's just not insulated, and just kind of waiting for warmer weather. So like I said, we'll be starting this soon, so stay tuned for that. And then right after that, we'll be doing the R6. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.